Now it's time to get the final results on the dyno. Also finalized are all the logos and striping you're looking at. Due to the transmission swap, fourth gear is 1-to-1 with the new trimming.
Felt strong.
636, 500 foot torque.
Wow.
That's pretty stout.
You can't get any better than that.
Woo, doggy.
Gotta love a stage 2.
Hey everybody, I'm here in the Engine Power shop with Bobby Janiec from Rislone. Earlier in the season, Pat and I had the pleasure of building the RS700 Rislone sweepstakes car. Now it got its name because it made over 700 horsepower at the flywheel thanks to a P1X Pro charger. Now that engine is backed by a Magnum 6-speed transmission and there's a bunch of suspension parts under it so it handles as good as it accelerates. Bobby's here to do the honors of giving the car away.
I am Mike, and from everybody at Rislone, I'd like to say thank you to the guys at PowerNation, to you and Pat and everybody that worked on this car. We are thrilled to give this away, and this is where it ends, right? So, Marlene D'Silva, you are the winner of the Rislone RS700 Mustang. And not only is it coming with Rislone's Nano Prime engine and oil additive in the engine, we're also going to throw a case in the trunk for you. Marlene, from everybody at Rislone, the guys at PowerNation, thank you for this. Enjoy the car, Marlene. It's all yours.